Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off typing indicator and Google Messages. It's so simple and too easy to be done and to be completed. It's just will take a few steps. First you just need to get the last version of your app, Google Messages, that one, from your App Store or from your Play Store. It depends on which phone you have. Alright, so let's dive in. Okay, so once you tap on your app, you will be sent to this window, and then what I want you to do is to go on the top right side and tap on your picture on the right side of the search icon. Right, so here I want you to go into Messages Settings option and tap on it. So once you are here, you just need to tap on HCS Chats, tap on it, and right here you will see different options that you can enable or disable. Enable or disable. So right here we are looking for the typing indicator option. So right here we can see show typing indicator. It says let others know when you are typing. So right here, when we tap on that icon on the right side of it, it will be disabled. So that's how you can turn off the typing indicator in Google Messages. Anyways guys, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and see you next video.